Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this camera calibration module and we have almost finished most of these functions, and today we are gonna check a new one, which is getOptimalNewCameraMatrix. We don't need to focus on these explanations. We are gonna go through the code part and let's switch it. And previously we have checked this calibration matrix values, so for this video we don't need all this, and we are gonna continue from this part. And calibrateCamera was giving us the camera matrix, distortion coefficients, and the vectors accordingly. So this get camera optical new what was the name? Get optimal new camera matrix is gonna give us a new matrix, camera matrix. So to compare it, the best way is to use undistort for both camera matrix, so we can compare what's this new function is actually doing. Okay, so first of all, let's define mat, which is the default camera matrix. We can call default camera matrix mat. Okay, this can be okay. So we are gonna call undistort function, which we have already learned. So the image source we already have, and the destination is gonna be the default camera mat, and camera matrix we have it already. Oops, camera matrix and distortion coefficients, and what else? Okay, this we don't need, and that's all. And next we are gonna call this get default, not default, optimal new camera matrix, and actually this is gonna return us the new camera matrix, which is, we can call it also as optimized camera mat. But for matrix, which is different, we can call here optimized camera matrix. Okay, and what actually this function needs, first of all, the existing camera matrix, which is camera matrix, and the distortion coefficients, and the image size, which is this one. Okay, and the next, the alpha. This one is important. Let's start with 1. And this is gonna give us optimized camera matrix. And next we are gonna use again this undistort for image source again, but this time it's gonna get the optimized, and optimized camera mat is gonna happen here, and that's all. So we need to define one more window so we can check it. This is default, and this is optimized. Oops, optimized. And next we are gonna show them, which is default and which is optimized. And default camera mat, this is undistorted image, and this is optimized camera. And I think that's all. Let's try it. Okay, this is optimized and this is default. So you see both parts have the black side because we defined the most important parameter of this optimal new camera matrix function is that alpha. We defined it as 1, so actually nothing has changed than the default camera matrix. So if you make it through the 0, for example, it's gonna totally crop all the black region as soon as it can. For example, it cut it through from the left side, left borders and right borders. These are still exist because that's the maximum it can do. So it's somehow just cropped the it's just optimized the undistorted image than before, because actually we don't care about these black regions, they do nothing. So it's just cropping and giving you the new one, but without playing about the resolution. It's just settling it down into the corresponding frame with the same sizes. It's quite useful, and yeah, if you are doing camera calibration, I suggest you to use this one, which is quite helpful. And yeah, for this video basically we have learned about this function. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.